Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. So are you searching on the internet for a tutorial to how you can install Discovery Plus on your Amazon Fire Stick device but cannot find any helpful guide? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I am going to show you how you can install Discovery Plus on your Amazon Fire Stick device with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for FireStick 4K, FireTV, FireStick Lite and FireTV Cube. Before we start the installation steps, let's start with a brief introduction for Discovery Plus. So this is the only streaming service with the greatest real-life entertainment for your favorite TV brands and personalities, plus exclusive original all-in-one plays. With Discovery Plus you get your favorite shows and personalities from the most beloved TV brands including HGTV, Food Network, TLC, ID, Animal Planet, Discovery and more. So if you want to install Discovery Plus, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So what you have to do, you need to click on search icon left side above menu and type here Discovery Plus. When you type 2-3 word, the suggestion appear Discovery app. So scroll down and click on. And here click on Discovery Plus black color icon. Now press download button and the Discovery app will start downloading in few seconds. It will depending on your internet speed. And here as you can see Discovery Plus has been installed on our Fire Stick. Now you open Discovery Plus from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. Now hold remote home button for a few seconds and then click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on our Fire Stick. So if you want to open Discovery app, then scroll down and hover to Discovery app. Click to open. So you can use this method to download Discovery Plus on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on the like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.